Hey guys, today I will tell you how to transfer crypto from eToro to Coinbase.
You will need three applications: eToro Trading App, eToro Money Wallet, previously called eToro Wallet, and Coinbase app. Remember, this transfer is one way only. You cannot return crypto to eToro after transfer. If you lack transferable crypto, purchase some first, like XRP. Open eToro Trading App, search for XRP and click Deposit. After purchasing, select your XRP position and choose Transfer to Wallet. Review transfer details including units, fees, and net amount. Confirm by clicking Transfer to eToro Money Wallet. Note this transfer remains reversible briefly before becoming permanent. Open eToro Money Wallet to confirm XRP receipt. Now access Coinbase app, select Receive and choose XRP. Copy the Coinbase address and XRP tag. Return to eToro Money Wallet. Enter transfer amount and paste Coinbase details. Complete the transfer with required authentication. Monitor both applications for successful completion confirmation.
And that's it guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.